This is one of my favorite detox water, my go detox water. Let's go ahead and put it together. Our first ingredient is chia seed. This is what chia seed look like in case you are not familiar with it. I called it gold in the bottle. This is the one that I've already soaked overnight. You can go ahead and use it up straight away, or you can soak it overnight, or you can soak it for a couple of hours. Our second ingredient is orange. I'll go ahead and cut the orange into small pieces. You can make use of lemon instead of orange, but I prefer orange. The third ingredient is ginger. I will scoop out a little bit of ginger, about half teaspoon of ginger, put it in a bowl, and I've add some hot water to it and allow to infuse for about 2 to 3 minutes. To put the detox water together, you need an empty jar. Add the orange that you already sliced. Once you add that, go ahead and add the chia seed, the one that you soaked earlier or overnight, alright? And then strain out the ginger out of the water. Just dispose the shaft of the ginger. You only need the water, alright? Go ahead and fill it up with some room temperature water. And that is it, guys. You guys, this detox water is super filling. You guys, it's super amazing. Trust me. I went ahead and add some onion for more flavor. And that is it, guys. Just go ahead and enjoy it. You can leave it for a couple of minutes just for the orange to infuse the flavor, or you can just go ahead and drink it straight away. Trust me, guys, you'll come back here to say thank you. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.